Hello, Katie here from Katie's World. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to do a paper piecing for an upcoming page kit. It's actually an older page kit design, really old page kit design that I am bringing back. And the new thing that I have updated on it is I have since learned how to use my program to make these a lot easier. So in the beginning, or if you have the original kit, these were all separate pieces. And so what I've done is I've gone in and kind of welded them together so it's one big piece. So gluing is easy, and then you just go in and take a fine tip black marker pen to color over the joined pieces. I found that is much easier than having a whole bunch of little tiny pieces. So I hope you guys appreciate that. If you've done my kits before, you know what I'm talking about. And I'm going back through and actually updating all of my kits as we cut more. If I can make them any easier to put together, I am doing so. As you can see, we do still have some small pieces that couldn't really be avoided. But it's not as bad as it was before. So let's go ahead and get started. Same thing with him. He was a whole bunch of pieces. So I've joined a lot of these together, and I love it because he is one big piece. You just glue it down, and it makes it so much easier than worrying about spacing and everything because it's already done for you. I am using the Art Glitter brand Designer Dries Clear. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. The glue does dry quickly, so I'm trying to work fast before it dries. Okay. I'm going to start with his face and just line it up to get a nice black border around the edge. Come down here to his arm and his legs. This is why it's nice to use liquid glue, because you can still maneuver it a little bit before it dries. Just wiping away any excess glue. It does dry clear, so that's good. Okay, see, that was easy. I love it. That would have taken like a half hour back in the day when these were all separate. Very exciting stuff. Okay, same thing with this. This used to be 3 pieces. So I am thrilled to be getting better at my program and learning new ways to make life easier and more enjoyable to put these together. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and attach his eyes. Wow, that was fast. So Pluto's done, other than the pen detailing. That was so fun. So he's just 3 pieces. Okay, Mickey. Now he's another story. I'm going to start with his shoes. That looks easy enough. I want to just make sure you have a nice black border around the edge. I'm going to use my tip of my pin of my glue just to get a little bit of that excess glue out. Okay. Okay, so now, see, I like to work around the edges first, just to make sure I'm spacing everything right, because I could go in and do his pants, but then I'm not 100%, you know, how far, like, so I want to make sure. So I'm not going to do that one just yet. I could do this one, because then you can see that has a nice groove. And before I glue it down, let's place this and see how that, I think that's going to work just fine. Yeah, I think we can go ahead and do that. Put his apron in first. Okay, then the pants. Or maybe I should even do the tie in the back, because that fits right in there. That'll help me gauge more of where the pants are going to go. So I'm going to do this one. And then let's see, there's a little green piece that goes here. Go ahead and stick that down. I'm just going to check my camera time real quick. I think we're good for a little bit. Okay. And that made it much easier putting the pants in, because I'm not worried so much about how high up to go. Fits right in there. Okay. Perfect. Okay, so we're going to add the top of his shirt. This is such a small piece, so I'm going to put the glue on the base instead of the actual piece. Same thing with the wreath. I'm just going to go around like this. These aren't too bad. Except for this little teeny weeny little piece. This little red piece. Now it's not a perfect circle, so I'm not sure exactly the way it's supposed to go. But it's so tiny. I'm just not going to worry about it. I'm just going to stick it in there. I think it's fine. Okay. Now the frame, a little window. Okay, I'm going to go around the edge. They're not as bad as I thought. When I saw these little pieces laying here, I was kind of worried, but it's not too bad. Thank goodness. Now this is texture cardstock, so that makes it easier to tell which side faces up. And then the wider end goes at the top. That helps. Okay, we need a piece right there. I'm trying to lay this out just to make sure I got the spacing correct. So you want a smooth line like this. You want it all to line up right there. I'm going to do the face first before I glue down the white, and then center that white. Okay, 3 pieces left. So this is the other part of his hat, peeking out under or behind his ear. And then his eyes. So one is thinner than the other. The center one goes on the right. All done. Wow, that was not too bad. Oh, sorry for the camera shake. I just bumped it. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and put my glue pen in. I'm going to take the pen and draw the lines to join. My camera is almost out. I've got maybe about 2 minutes, so it may run out on me. But we'll see if we can do this quick enough. And I just want to say thank you so much for watching this video. And if you'd like it, I really appreciate it if you click that like button. And if you'd like to see more videos from me, please click the subscribe button. And go ahead and click on that bell for notifications if you'd like to be alerted every time I post a new video. And thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.